horns in Logic Pro X. Don't mind that we're on an acoustic guitar layer. That's just what it started with in the template, and I just changed it to studio horns. I'm just going to record a quick little something here. So now that this is laid, I'm just going to turn the loop on here and bend and add my mod wheel vibrato to it to humanize it a bit. Let's go. And something else I like to do, which you've watched me do in the previous tutorials, is go to my tremolo, take this to maybe 2 bars, 4 bars, and slightly pan it left and right. So we have our lead horn going, and I don't recommend doing just all your horns on one layer. There's a lot of dynamics offered through this tool, and I would just separate a few more layers, pan them, use other versions of the instruments, and you'll get the most out of it that way. So I'll just duplicate this, move this down, and keep working on this instance. And let's go to the R&B section here. And like we've done with vocals many times, we're going to do this with MIDI this time, which is to select all 3, create a track stack, summing, and now we can EQ all 3 of them together. And I want to take off a little bit of the edges again because it's just so wide. I'm going to open up my drum layer and just lay a quick something. So we have 3 that sound good together, or we can variate them into the chorus, verse, drops, change ups, bridge, etc. And as you can see, it didn't take me much to create a cool, unique, filled out, nice brass loop, lick, part of a song. Anyway, that is how to get the most out of your stock studio horns in Logic Pro X fast.